Welcome to Apache Spark 4 tutorials. In this section, we are going to install OpenJDK 17 on Ubuntu 24.04. To run Apache Spark 4, you need at least JDK 17 or above. So we will be installing OpenJDK 17 on Ubuntu 24.04. Open the terminal and first update the system with the command sudo apt get update. My system is updated now, and I will see if we have the OpenJDK in the apt cache. So apt cache search OpenJDK. So we have the OpenJDK 17. So we have this OpenJDK 17. So we are going to run the command sudo apt get install OpenJDK -17 -JDK. Download size is around 288 MB. Now it is downloading the OpenJDK 17. OpenJDK 17 is installed. To check the version of Java installed, type java --version and you will see the version of Java which is installed on your computer. So we have successfully installed OpenJDK 17 on Ubuntu 24.04. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.